Papa Guardiola, body go don dey sweet you as you don win your first game for Anfield and get 14 consecutive wins, the highest for your career. How you dey plan celebrate am?
You dey craze?
No sir.
Who tell say body dey sweet me?
Nobody sir. I been just think say person wey get all this record come the top league table with 5 points go suppose happy well.
Well, my face dey like person wey happy.
No sir.
Good. No ever assume on top my head.
Okay sir.
Now ask me better question.
People dey talk say na you be the greatest tactical coach for EPL and say the reason wey make you dey like this na because say they born you with plenty brain inside your body. Na true be that?
You and the people wey dey talk this kind thing know well.
Winner, City winner.
Hey! Wetin una dey do?
We dey celebrate our win for Anfield and my first goal for Anfield since I comot Liverpool.
Ogbomo cash treat all of una. Una don't forget say we get Swansea on Tuesday and Tottenham on Saturday. Before I open my eyes, una suppose don reach Etihad Stadium continue na training.
Na wow! Every time training. Person no fit celebrate small.
Steering, wetin you talk?
Nothing, sir.
All the record we will get for Anfield don spoil. All because of this my defenders and keepers wey get goal chopping abilities. Others dey repair goals, but for this game una decide to show una goal absorbing ability.
But coachy, no be our fault. That Guardiola guy get too much tactical ability. The guy na winch for tactician level. Even sef I hear say the man get plenty brain for him body. Like him belle, even am Peter Yash join.
Come on, shut up there. So you still get out to talk after the PK wey you cause with all your experience. You dey lucky say Gundogan throw away that PK. If not, you for shit for pan today. And you Alisson.
Sir?
How much you take sell that match?
Sir, I don't understand what you mean, sir.
I say how much them give you for this match.
Sir, no mistake I make, I no say anything. Wayo.
Three bloody goal causing mistake wey even Kepa go dey envy. Na him you tell me say no be say you said the match.
I say no mistake.
No be your fellow countryman Ederson dey keep 13 clean sheets. You no even say make you watch am small for the game. Take sabi how him take dey catch him own ball. I no even sabi how you take be first choice keeper for Brazil where Ederson dey.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley? I been a woman bless you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you, oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am, because me I no get time for this guy now.